Hi, I'm Claire. I'm the resident tanning expert for Skinny Tan, and I cannot wait to share with you my top tanning tips. So let's talk legs. So if you are finding that you have got little dots on your legs, also known as strawberry legs, that just means that you've applied your fake tan too close to your hair removal. So I do recommend that you do any hair removal 24 to 48 hours before tanning. This gives the hair follicle enough time to close up so that you don't get any fake tan stuck in pores. If you're finding that your legs are appearing stripy after application, this could be one of two reasons. So the first reason is that you are applying your fake tan on a dirty mitt. So you do need to make sure you are washing your application mitt regularly to ensure that you are getting the smoothest application possible. The other reason why you might be finding you're getting stripy legs is when you're doing your hair removal. So if you are shaving with a razor that has one of those moisturising strips, you do need to make sure that after you are using an exfoliating mitt to remove any residue from the skin to ensure a clean surface ready for your application.